All right, guys, let's talk about WalletConnect on the channel for the first time. Now, I did talk about this on a YouTube short, but I do want to say I don't own this token. I sold it after the launch pool in Binance. I didn't have my minimum 100 to keep it, and I wasn't going to buy more of it, guys. I wanted to put it in something a little bit more proven because I knew this would probably pull back, and I think I sold it somewhere up here at the top on the first day. Now, it did dip down a little bit more than probably where I sold it, but, this actually is a pretty good token, guys, because, yeah, it does have some utility. Now, the resistances are all behind WalletConnect. As you can see, we do have a daily support here at about 51 cents, but right now we have to create the next resistances, and we need to see kind of where this tops out. Now, I think I put this on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, so if we look at this like this, guys, on a 1 hour time frame here, the target, if we break out to the upside, would be up here at about 71 cents. So let's see what happens. Right now, we are kind of consolidating on the 1 hour time frame here. The 4 hour time frame, now this almost has a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. There's still, about 35 minutes left on this candle, but let's just hope that it doesn't go below about, let's say, 59 cents or 59.1 cents. It's very close, so we could, if we do break that and we close that 4 hour candle, we may come down to retest this at 51 cents. Now, there isn't much printing above really a 4 hour time frame, so I'm not going to look at anything on higher time frames for this. But as we can see, it is coming down on the RSI, and it's just getting into the overbought territory here on the Stochs. So probably you can expect a little bit of a cool down. 1 hour time frame, it is actually coming down on the Stoch. It is slightly pointed to the upside here on the RSI. 15-minute time frame, it is actually oversold on the Stoch and kind of going sideways, but it is pointed down right now on the RSI. So, like I said, guys, I do think this is probably going to get a cool down here just in the short term. Let's just hope that it doesn't go under that point that I mentioned on the 4 hour time frame at about 59.1 cents. Now, looking at the tokenomics, guys, there's only 1 billion max supply. Funnily enough, only there's still 11 missing from the total supply. I'm not sure how. I'm not sure why, but that's what it says here. And circulating, you only have about 186.2 million, so that's actually pretty good. Now, the next, unlock basically is in about 6 months. So look over here, you can see the 15th of November, 2025. Only 19% of this is unlocked at the moment. So that's actually pretty good. It's not really much to worry about when it comes to unlocks probably for this bull run. I think they'll probably, start to dilute during the bear market. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin, now I put this on the 1 hour time frame as well. I tried to do this as best I could, guys. So you can see it's kind of consolidating here on the 1 hour time frame. And the target, if it breaks to the upside, guys, is all the way up here at about almost $114,000. Now, the target of that big cup and handle, which we formed over the entire bear market, and it stands up here at about 115,000. So anywhere between about 13,900 to about 115,000 is probably the next target, guys, once this breaks bullish. Now, Ethereum, it also on the 1 hour time frame does kind of have a little bit of a flag here. If it breaks bullish, guys, it should take us up to about 2910. That's the technical target. Now, keep in mind, there is the top of this Fibonacci here. We do have to break through that. That will be a little bit resistance. But yeah, that is the target for Ethereum. Now, the total market cap, guys, we are struggling with this 1.25 trillion. Right now, we are just below that. But yeah, let's see where this ends up later today. The dominance, guys, it is getting kind of a bounce here. And this is a 2-year trend line that has held up, the Bitcoin dominance for the most part, except for a couple of mini altcoin seasons back here in December, all the way to end of January, guys. So yeah, keep that in mind. But right now, it is getting a little bit of a bounce. But yeah, I do feel we are probably going to break this maybe after another day or two. But yeah, just have to wait and see. Be patient, guys. Now, altcoin season, actually it's Bitcoin season. It's a 24 now. I refreshed this right before this video, guys. And basically, yeah, I think it went down from like a 27 or something, or 29. So anyways, the CME futures, this is what it looks like. We're at 104.350 on the CME. The dollar is coming down a little bit, and there is kind of a support here. So let's see if it breaks the 100.38 mark, and then it breaks this resistance, and then it's probably headed more down. Now, liquidation heat map, about 406 million have been wrecked. That's actually pretty high, but it's almost even on both sides of the coin here. Now, the fear and greed is 73 today. It has gone up from 70. We had like 70, I think, 3 or 4 days, and now we're 73. So the bull market peak indicators, guys, basically, I'm a broken record. I've been saying this for like 2 months. Still 0 from 30 that have been hit. The best indicator here is the Pi cycle top indicator. And in my opinion, it looks like it's going to curve back up here shortly. So what do you think you see? Now, today we still have one more speaker, and I was looking on another calendar, guys. I think there may be 2 speakers more, but this calendar only has Waller and Daily, and yeah, so I don't know. Maybe there's 2 still. Now, tomorrow is a big day. We have jobless claims, core retail sales, PPI. We have these manufacturing numbers. We have also the industrial production numbers. We have Powell speaking tomorrow. We also have the vice chair speaking tomorrow. It's going to be a big day tomorrow, guys, so be ready for some volatility. And Friday, we do have Michigan numbers, and that could, you know, play a part in some volatility if it's way off, if the expectations are wildly off from what, you know, the market expects. I think we had this like 2 months ago. Now, looking at Trueflation, guys, yesterday I think it was 1.68 in the video that I made. Now, it went down actually to 1.57. So yeah, guys, I think, you know, PPI is probably going to be better than expected tomorrow as well. Now, the FedWatch tool still has about 92% expecting no cut, only 8% expecting a cut still. The crypto bubbles, guys, still looks good today. We have had some ups and downs today a little bit, but for the most part, we're still green across the board, so that's actually nice to see. Now, CoinOndo does have actually 3 deals found for WalletConnect, as you can see, all flexible. There's actually Biconomy, you have Binance and Bybit. I have these 2 here, Binance and Bybit. I don't have Biconomy. I think I registered for it, but I don't know too much about this exchange. Anyways, guys, do your homework before you start sending WalletConnect around. And yeah, if you like this video, guys, like, subscribe, activate the bell, share this video with your friends. And check out some of the exchanges I have in the description. I also have Moodix there, guys, where you can get these, you know, charts and statistics and things. It is actually a great platform for stock trading, but you can also use it for crypto trading too, guys, because a lot of these indicators work for crypto. And yeah, if you want to become a member of the channel, I will put you in the Telegram group and forward the measurements that are, you know, that actually affect Bitcoin. I'm not going to forward every measurement, of course, but yeah, guys. So anyways, like I said, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.